your PS4 headset is not recognizing by the console. Either it can be a PC, or it can be PS4 console, or it can be Xbox One console, or any other devices. If you're attaching it, if it is not recognizing, right, you need to reset it. So how to reset that actually? So make sure this is turned off first. Okay, this is turned off. It is in off mode. This is platinum wireless headset of PS4, and this, right, you need this pin. You need this pin because I'm going to reset, because there is a small holes is there, small holes that I'm going to plug in, and I'm going to reset it. So this is a reset. So this is the reset button actually. Now you should not do it. Attach it into your console. So I'm going to attach it. So now I have attached it. So light is blinking. I'm going to reset it by inserting this pin. Okay, more than 1 second you have to hold it. It should blink like this. So now this is in pairing mode. When the device is in pairing mode, take your headset and hold this mute button for a second. It should be in off mode. Hold this mute button. I'm holding it. After 1 second, right, just change it to from off to 1 or 2. You can change it anywhere, anything. So I'm just sliding it from off to 1. So now this is also in pairing mode. Now it should connect. Just take off your finger. See, both are paired now. Now you can listen the songs or video games or anything. You can listen from any devices. So now it turned to blue. See this? So this is the way you can reset if the platinum wireless headset is not recognizing by any devices or PS4, Xbox or PC. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks in video forms. Thank you. Bye.